Today we're leaving the heart of Birmingham and heading south toward Pelham. Let's see how this route unfolds. We're starting right in downtown Birmingham, surrounded by a mix of historic buildings and modern development. This part of the city carries a lot of character, and even during the day, there's a steady rhythm to the streets. As we move forward, you'll notice how quickly the environment begins to shift once we leave the core. We're merging onto I-20, a key east-west interstate that links several major routes across Alabama. This section is all about movement, cars flowing in multiple directions, connecting different parts of the region. It's a brief stretch, but an important one in this journey. Now we're heading south on I-65, one of the most important highways running through the state. This is where the drive really opens up. The scenery becomes more consistent. Long stretches of road, rolling greenery, and a more relaxed driving rhythm. It's a different side of Birmingham, less urban, more transitional. We're taking the Cahaba Valley Road exit, leaving the interstate behind. This is where things start to feel more local and grounded. The pace slows down and the surroundings become more familiar and neighborhood-oriented. Now we're in Pelham, a growing suburban area just south of Birmingham. You'll notice a mix of local businesses, residential areas, and everyday traffic patterns. It's quieter here, more spread out, and a clear contrast to where we started. And just like that, we've made the transition from downtown Birmingham to Pelham. A simple drive, but one that shows how quickly the landscape can change. If you enjoyed this ride, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more drives like this. And let me know in the comments, where should we go next? Thanks for coming along. See you on the next drive.